What's up, guys? Welcome to Viking Spark Pencil. Today up here is Bissell powerful Bagless Turbo and Bissell powerful Bagless. I'm here to the Bissell powerful Bagless. What you do? Bissell powerful Bagless Turbo 6596, 2007, and a Bissell powerful Bagless 6583 in 2009. Yep, and now let's go start it. And it's doing so. You need to do is first. And you decrease them to 4.5. And then for headlights in it. Did it to himself. So, and it's self in and half. And it's so in the to first. And the decrease and then for 4. And it's the first. And the half and it's the self. And then self. Let's do it. The first. You next is 6583. Now, I did it 4.5. Decrease itself into 4. And 4.5 into 4 and into the first. And the first. And half. In his seat. Now to the old pocket clips and yourself. And in his society. In half. Now I had to her beat here. I want to be here. Yes. Okay, now it's going to get over the vacuum cleaner Bissell powerful Bagless. The Bissell powerful Bagless Turbo. So, working at 6583. Really, it's always small one. Have it here. The filters, the happy filters, and then, so I'll be here. I'll be just pick up it as if then I do the right. And it's self in it. It's working in itself. And it's in itself. Now do it in itself. Circle it and this is 4.5. And it's in itself. Okay, enough. And push on a clipper tooth. And now it's 6596 turbo. You have will always heal. While we are towards, obviously we don't have to hold like and the cup here and basically allow it and it is self in the cup and then now it's in the fence and with the seat. It was to take with itself. Not and her fence and her seat. And now we're doing the heel. And yes, I showed it. This one just has to cup over. See? And just himself in his. Elf in a half and it's itself. Not in the connection itself. And the C in half. Now it's going to focus to connect to himself. Now it's okay, where's the plug in? Let's go start it. Okay. Okay, and next is 6583. Okay. Okay. So, here we come. Now you're done, you 6596. You next. Okay. do itself and itself. What will happen? It's very loud, it's 12 amps. I even can do this with itself. It was in the white image itself. And it cannot do itself in half. And so many photos to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.